Greetings from Gdansk and this wonderful sandy beach, Gorki Zachodnie, at the very end of Stogi Beach, where the sea collides with the river at the end. It is 10th of August 2024 and 7 p.m. right now. Soon we're gonna enter the golden hour. I'm not really sure when is the actual sunset, but it seems like it's gonna be sunny for 2 more hours. We have 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it is 21 degrees. And I have been walking along Stogi Beach from the very beginning, passing by also the Nudist Beach, which was crowded earlier. So I'm gonna make an episode on the way back now that the sun is coming down, in a perfect sunset swim then on the Nudist Beach. But yes, Beach Adventures with Chris, we are in Gdansk and exploring the beaches of Gdansk in Poland. Gdansk is the 6th largest city in Poland, with a population of around 500,000. And it was very crowded today in the center when I was there sightseeing in the morning and afternoon. But also it was super crowded on the Stogi Beach as well earlier today. Here it is not that many people because here you need to walk a bit from the parking if you're coming by car, or you can also take the tram number 8, and it's around half an hour to get to this part of the beach, but it's very close to the main part of Stogi Beach. So yeah, now let's enjoy with a swim in the sea here, the Baltic Sea, obviously. I see interesting formations of trees here that are into the water. I'm not sure what is their purpose. And on the other side, it is where the sea ends and connects with the river. Yes, Gorki Zachodnie, it's the name of this beach. It has beautiful forests, as you can see, and nature around. And the sun is going to be setting down soon as well. Look at that. Beautiful indeed. The water is clear and clean, super sandy, everything is sandy inside, and there are quite a lot of people that are swimming. Actually not a lot, but few. Most of the people are with clothes on the beach, and it's not that cold to be with clothes on the beach, to be fair, but yeah, the sun was a bit more strong earlier today. And yes, I am in Gdansk for 3 full days, so I'm going to explore more beaches in the upcoming 2 days, and looking forward to have more beach adventures. Today is Saturday, so maybe that's why it's a bit crowded. Let's see how it's going to be tomorrow, Sunday, even more crowded. So yeah, I guess I'm used to the Swedish beaches that nobody's there. The ones that I'm going to, but this one is a public beach, so it's expected. Right, then let's take a swim here at Gorki Zachodnie in Gdansk, Poland. Let's go! Amazing. Ah, beautiful, beautiful swim in the Baltic Sea. So Poland is also on the Baltic Sea shore, the same as Sweden and all of the Baltic countries as well, and Finland also, and Russia, of course. So yes, then that's a wrap from this beach over here that you can see at the very end of Stogi Beach. It's a separate one, Gorki Zachodnie, and it's located in Gdansk, around 12 kilometers from the city center. Right, let me know in the comments what you think of this beach and if you have ever been to this beach in Gdansk or Poland. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!